We're at 6735 Cotter Drive. This is located in Milton, Florida, located off of Stewart Street. We're entering into our foyer here. You can see directly down the middle, we have our hallway to our main living areas. To our right, we have our study space. It could also be a playroom. And there's our front door there. You can see our dining room here. Coming back out now, we'll go down this hallway here. And we'll come to our kitchen. We have lots of cabinet and counter space here. You can see our breakfast nook area and our pantry. And you can see our great room over there. We do have nice vaulted ceilings. Heading down now, we'll go to our half bath and garage. Heading down here. Here's our half bath space. And then you can see our garage through here. Coming back out now, you can see our second entry to our dining room here. Now we'll turn around here and you can see our kitchen space. So on the left side of the home, we have our bedrooms and bathrooms for guests. So we'll come to this hallway. Our first door is our laundry space. Continuing down this hallway, we come to our first guest bedroom. Nice large room. We do have high ceilings in all of the rooms. And you can see our closet space as well. Heading back down this hallway, we'll go to the guest bathroom. Here's that bathroom space. Nice stand-up towel, stand-up shower and tub. And then we'll continue down. We're passing our towel closet. And here's our third bedroom. This is the second of the guest bedrooms. This is facing the back of the home. You can see our closet space. Now heading back out, we'll go to the great room. So we're gonna come down this hallway here and we'll take a left. So we're standing at the entry of our kitchen and living area. You can see our back door to our covered patio. Now we'll walk to the other side of the home and then we'll take a left into our master suite. Again, nice vaulted raised ceilings in here. This is facing the back of the home, so we look out into our backyard. And here's our closet, or excuse me, our bathroom space. So we'll walk into there now. We do have a 2-sink vanity and a garden tub and a stand-up shower. So here's our tub and shower. Directly in front of us, we have our large walk-in closet. So here's that closet space. And then we have our separate commode room. Heading back out now, we'll take you back into the great room and take you outside to the backyard. So we're coming out of the master suite, heading into our living area. So here is our covered patio space and our enclosed backyard. Lots of good space here. Heading back inside now. Again, this is 6735 Cotter Drive, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it on our website at barronspm.com.